In this video, we'll be talking about winning products to sell to make thousands of dollars each month. And we'll also be giving you content ideas for each product to give you a head start on your online business. And make sure to watch the entire video because we'll be giving you bonus products that no one has sold yet. So you'll be the first people to tap in the market. The first product is an umbrella shaped like a sword. And this account has a lot of videos showing this product. And one of those videos has 4.9 million views. And they've only started this account on October 31st. Let's check out their website. And they sell each one for an original price at $77 and it's on sale for $45. And they also have different discounts when you buy more than one. Let's see how much you can buy it on Alibaba. Prices ranges from $2.98 to $4.88 depending on the quantity. And keep in mind that you have to order a minimum of 10 pieces. And they also have different colors including black, green, and red. The first content idea for this product is to create a product demonstration video. Demonstrate its use as highlighting its design and practicality in various scenarios like rain, cosplay events, or as an item for collectors. The second idea is to launch a creative challenge on TikTok or Instagram where people come up with unique ways to use their umbrella sword. This can drive engagement and user-generated content or UGC. The third idea is to produce a series of high-quality videos capturing the umbrella sword in different environments such as streets, nature, or at an event. This would appeal to a broad audience. The next product is a neck massager. And this account has viral videos. One has 13.8 million and the other one over 7 million views. And they only started this account on November 21st, which means that it's never too late to start. We're then going to click on their website, and they're selling this for at an original price of $149.95 and it's on sale for $99.95. Let's see how much you can buy it for on AliExpress. They cost from $30.31 and also comes with a box. And make sure you buy a sample from your supplier to make sure it's good quality. For this product, you can create a series of videos showing how to use the neck massager. These could include tips for targeting different muscle groups, adjusting intensity levels, and incorporating it into your daily routine. You can also create content comparing your neck massager with other similar products in the market. Focus on what makes your product unique, whether it's the design, price, features, or effectiveness. The third idea is to host live Q&A sessions on TikTok and Instagram where potential customers can ask questions about the neck massager. This is a great opportunity to address common concerns and highlight the product's features. The next product is long fuzzy socks. This account has viral videos, one with 6.1 million views and the other one 2 million views. And these videos are only 10 seconds long and 6 seconds. Let's check out their website. And they're selling them for an original price of $68.95 and it's on sale for $29.95. And they have different colors including gray, brown, pink, blue, and green. Let's see how much you can buy for on AliExpress. And they cost from $6.99. And they have the same exact colors that we found on their website. And they have all in one size. For this product, create a funny, exaggerated video showing the tragic consequences of spending a day without your fuzzy socks. End it with a dramatic reunion with your socks to highlight how important they are. You can also create a series of videos showing your cozy routine with the socks, like sipping hot cocoa, reading a book, or doing yoga. This promotes a lifestyle around your product. Create seasonal content such as winter cozy vibes or summer night relaxation, highlighting how the socks are perfect for different types of the year. The next product is a period heating pad. They have viral videos, one with 1 million views and the other one with 2.7 million. And they also sell on TikTok Shop. Let's look at their website. They sell each one at a regular price of $69.99 and it's on sale for $34.99. And they have them in pink and white. Let's see how much you can buy them for on AliExpress. Each one costs from $3.24. And they also have them in white and pink. For this product, share interesting facts about menstrual health, period cramps, and pain relief, showing the heating pad as a solution in each video. Show the effectiveness of the heating pad through a split screen before and after format. On one side, show discomfort due to period cramps, and on the other side, show relief and comfort after using the heating pad. Create an ASMR style video of unpacking and setting up the heating pad, focusing on the sounds for a calming effect. The next product is a makeup brush cleaning machine. And they have a viral video of 1.1 million views and the other one is over 200,000 views. We're then going to look at their website. They sell each one at an original price of $79.99 and it's on sale for $39.99. They also have different product pictures and have discounts. Let's see how much they cost on AliExpress. Each one costs from $6.51. For this product, show a dirty makeup brush and then show its transformation to a perfectly clean brush after using the machine. And show how quickly it is to use it. Create a challenge where you clean the dirtiest makeup brushes you can find, and this can show how good the machine is even with the most dirtiest brushes. Use the sounds of the machine and brushes being cleaned for an ASMR effect, which can be engaging and soothing for many people. The next product is a lint remover machine, and this account has 136 followers and they only started on August 14. Let's check out their website. They sell each one for an original price of $59.99 and it's on sale for $29.99. Let's see how much you can find it for on AliExpress. Each one costs from $2.62. And if you want to test this product, order one and create content on TikTok and Instagram, and see how your views and engagement are on your videos. Create a story where someone is getting ready for an important event and discovers lint on their outfit. You then use the lint remover to save the day. Show a close-up of a shirt covered in lint and then use the lint remover to clean it. The dramatic change will visually appeal to viewers, which will possibly make them want to buy it. Create a time-lapse video showing the lint remover on different items like sweaters, coats, or blankets, and this can show how good the product is. The next product is Bestie Socks, and they have a viral video of 1.3 million views and it's only 10 seconds long. Let's check out their website. They sell a pair for $14.95 and it's on sale for $9.95. And they also have them in white and black, and they have it in one size. Let's see how much you can find them for on AliExpress. And you can find them for from 99 cents. And they also have them in black and white. And they also have non-magnetic socks in the same color and shape. Start a challenge where you and your best friend wear matching Bestie socks in creative, fun places. Encourage your followers to participate with their friends and tag your brand. Create a series where you go on an adventure looking for your lost Bestie sock. Each video can end on a cliffhanger to keep viewers coming back. Show an unboxing video of the Bestie socks. Emphasize the unique designs, quality of material, and how they feel. End with a call to action encouraging your viewers to buy a pair for themselves and their best friend. The next product is a dog grooming tool, and they have a viral video of 5.1 million views. And it's only 13 seconds long. We're then going to go on their website. And they sell each one at a regular price of $59 and it's on sale for $49. They have product description and customer reviews. Let's see how much it costs on AliExpress. And they cost from $5. And they also have different colors including green, yellow, black, and blue. Share informative content about dog hygiene and grooming, showing your product as a solution. Show a dog before and after using your grooming tool, and highlight the tool's effectiveness in improving the dog's appearance and hygiene. Create a soothing ASMR video with the sounds of your grooming tool gently brushing through dog fur. We're now going to show you the bonus products. The first bonus product is the Fairy Salt Shaker. And this video has gotten over 800,000 likes and it's only 9 seconds long. And even though this creator doesn't sell this product, they have an Amazon affiliate link. And let's see how much they cost on Amazon. And they cost $16.99 for two. And let's see how much you can buy it for on AliExpress. They cost from $3.25. And a pack of two costs $4.89. And they also have different colors. Create a series where the Fairy Salt Shaker adds a magical touch to everyday recipes. Each video can feature a new dish with the Fairy Salt Shaker sprinkling salt to magically transform the ingredients into the finished meal. Add a voiceover of the Fairy Salt Shaker sharing daily positive affirmations or motivational quotes, adding positivity to a person's day. Use the sounds of the salt shaking for ASMR videos, and these could be paired with a soft, calming voiceover by the Fairy Salt Shaker. The next product is a mermaid blanket. And there are videos of people using a mermaid blanket. And you can target people who want to heal their inner child, or people who have kids. Let's see how much you can buy for on AliExpress. And they cost from $3.29. And they also have different colors and sizes. Create a fun challenge where you do your daily routine while wearing the mermaid blanket, like cleaning your house or dancing. Dress up with your mermaid blanket and tell classical mermaid stories, and you can create a cozy setting for the experience. While wearing your mermaid blanket, do a makeup tutorial inspired by mermaids featuring bright, shimmery, and ocean-themed colors. The next product is a toy cashier, and you can find them on AliExpress from $9.70, and there are different models you can choose from. Capture a day in the life of a toy cashier. This could include setting up the toy store and scanning different products. Engage with viewers by role-playing customer interactions. Viewers could suggest items they want to buy, and the toy cashier can scan their products, providing a funny and fun experience. Create an ASMR video where you're scanning different products. If you want to know how to start e-commerce with $100, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.